So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. I would like to apologize being late for today. Inshallah ta'ala, today our lesson will be lesson 7, the food. So we still study the usage of Arabic demonstrative pronouns هذا and هذه. هذا male, هذه female. The usage of هذا and هذه. So inshallah ta'ala, let's read together by looking at, if you have the printed book, you may look at your book, and if you don't have, you may just follow by watching on your screen of your handphone and so on. All right, so this is lesson 7. So let's read together. Please listen from me first and then repeat after me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ad-darsu means the lessons. Sab'atun 7. Ad-darsu lesson. As-sabi'u 7th. If you say sab'atun, it means number 7. If you say as-sabi'u, the 7th. Ad-darsu lesson 7. Alright, the topic is about the food. The food in Arabic we call at-ta'amu. 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 Can you see the word in yellow color between the burger? The burger. Look at the burger carefully. There is an Arabic word in yellow color, at-ta'amu. Can you see that? Yes, that word at-ta'amu means the food. Alright? At-ta'amu. 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 The food. Alright, so our lesson is still on how to use Arabic demonstrative pronouns when you want to ask about something. Alright, please look at the picture on your right side. On your right side, what do you see? You see water, a glass of water, right? A glass of water. So here we want to ask, what is inside the glass? What is the thing that inside the glass? So we see water. Water is called in Arabic ma'un. Ma'un. You may repeat after me. Ma'un. 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 Water. Alright? So, when you want to ask about what is this, you say ma hadha. Ma hadha. Ma, what is hadha, this. What is it? What is this? What is this? Ma hadha. Ma hadha. Ma, what is? Hada, this. What is this? Alright? This is weather. So how do we say this is weather in Arabic? We say Hada ma'un. Hada ma'un. Hada ma'un. Hada ma'un. This is water. Alright? Okay, again. Ma hadha. Ma hadha. What is this? Hadha ma'un. Hadha ma'un. This is water. Ma'un, water, right? That's why we call Ma'u Zamzama, Zamzam water, the holy water, which when you go to Makkah to perform Hajj or Umrah, inshallah ta'ala, at that time, you will be drinking the holy water Zamzam beside the Kaaba. Alright? Ma'un. Alright. And please look at the left side, the picture on your left side. What do you see? Yes. Chicken. Right? Chicken. So chicken is called in Arabic Dajajun. 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 Chicken. So Dajajun is female word. So we should use Hadihi. Ma Hadihi. Dajajun, Dajajun is male word. We should use Hadha. Ma Hadha. Ma Hadha. What is this? Ma Hadha. What is this? Hadha Dajajun. Hadha Dajajun. This is chicken. Hadha Dajajun. This is chicken. Alright? This is chicken. Hadha Dajajun. This is chicken. Alright? Let's move on. And again, please look at your right side. In the picture, what do you see? Yes, you see a bread. You see bread, right? So bread is called in Arabic khubzun. 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 Bread. Khubzun. Bread. So you want to ask about what is this? Let's say you don't know this is bread. So you say Ma haza. Ma haza. Ma haza. Ma, what is? Haza, this. What is this? Alright? What is this? Ma haza. This is bread. We say in Arabic, Haza khubzun. Haza khubzun. Haza khubzun. This is bread. Haza khubzun. This is bread. Right? Haza khubzun. This is bread. Alright? And let's look at the picture beside the bread. What do you see? Yes, it's juice. It's juice, right? Juice. You see juice. So juice is called in Arabic asirun, 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 asirun. Please repeat after me. Asirun, asirun, asirun. Juice. Ma hadha. What is this? Ma hadha. What is this? Hadha asirun. Hadha asirun. Hadha asirun. Hadha asirun. Hadha asirun. This is juice. Alright? Hadha asirun. This is juice. Alright? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Please look at the picture on your right side. What do you see? Yes, you see meat. And meat is called in Arabic lahmun, 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 meat, lahmun, meat. Ma hadha, ma hadha. What is this? Ma hadha, ma hadha. Ma, what is? Hadha, this. Ma hadha. What is this? Hadha lahmun. Hadha lahmun. Hadha lahmun. This is meat. This is meat. Hadha lahmun. This is meat. Alright? Hadha lahmun. This is meat. Alright? And now let's move on the next one. On your left side, what do you see? Yes, you see tea. Right? Tea. I think this is the Burmese Myanmar people favorite. Right? Daily they must drink at least 3 times. Tea is Burmese favorite drink. Alright. Tea is called in Arabic shayun, 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 tea. Ma hadha, ma hadha. What is this? Ma, what is? Hadha, this. Ma hadha. What is this? Hadha shayun. Hadha shayun. This is tea. Alright? This is tea. Okay, before we move to the next page, let's revise again the page that just studied just now. Okay, from the right side, the upper one. Ma hadha. What is this? Hadha ma'un. Hadha ma'un. This is water. And the next one on your left side. Ma hadha. What is this? هذا دجاج. هذا دجاج. This is chicken. Alright, and next one on the right side. ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? What is this? هذا خبز. هذا خبز. This is bread. And next one on the left side, beside the bread, خبز. ما هذا. ما هذا. ما, what is. هذا, this. ما هذا. What is this? هذا عصير. هذا عصير. This is juice. This is juice. Alright? And next one on the right side. ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? هذا لحم. This is meat. هذا, this is لحم, meat. This is meat. Alright? And the left side. ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? هذا شاي. هذا شاي. This is tea. This is tea. هذا شاي. This is tea. Alright? And now let's move on then to next page, page 26. Alright, look at the picture on the right side. What do you see? Yes, you see a fish. You see a fish. Fish is called in Arabic samakun. 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 Fish. Samakun. Fish. ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? Because the word samakun is male word or masculine word, so you use هذا. ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? ما, what is. هذا, this. What is this? هذا سمك. هذا سمك. This is fish. هذا سمك. This is fish. Alright? هذا سمك. This is fish. And let's move on to the next one on your left side. What do you see? Yeah, you see cheese, right? Cheese. So cheese is called in Arabic jubnun. 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 Cheese. ما هذا. ما هذا. ما, what is. هذا, this. ما هذا. What is this? هذا جبن. هذا جبن. This is cheese. Alright? Remember, cheese is called in Arabic jubn. Okay? Alright, let's move on to the next one. And please look at the picture on your right side. what do you see? You see butter. Butter, right? You see butter. Butter, what is called in Arabic? Zubadatun. 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 Alright, here, do you notice that the last letter is ta marbuta? The ta look like a circle ta in pink color. Yes. So if you see any word, any Arabic word having ta marbuta at the end, it means that word is female word. So you must use hadihi, right? So you say ma hadihi, ma hadihi, ma hadihi, ma, what is hadihi, this? What is this? Ma hadihi, what is this? هذه زبدة. هذه زبدة. هذه زبدة. This is butter. Right? This is butter. Zubdatun, butter. This is butter. We say هذه زبدة. Alright? And now let's look at the picture on your left side. What do you see? What do you see? Yes, you see a cake. Cake is called in Arabic ka'katun. Sorry, ka'katun. 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 Cake. And now please look at the last letter of this word ka'katun. Can you see ta? Ta marbuta look like a circle ta at the end of the word. Yes, you see it. So it means that this ka'katun, this word is female word. So you must use hadihi. Remember, haza is for male word. Hadihi is for female word. Okay. So ma hadihi. Ma hadihi. What is this? Ma hadihi. What is this? Hadihi ka'katun. Hadihi ka'katun. This is a cake. This is a cake. Hadihi ka'katun. This is a cake. Ka'katun, cake. Zubdatun, butter. Zubdatun, butter. Alright? And please move on. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, look at your right, the picture on your right side. What do you see? You see, yes, milk. Milk is called in Arabic halibun. 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 Halibun, milk. And can you see ta marbuta? Ta, which is circle ta at the end of the word halibun. Can you see ta? A circle ta? No, right? So it means this word is male word. Halibun. Ma haza. Ma haza. Ma haza. What is this? Ma haza. What is this? Haza halibun. Haza halibun. This is milk. Alright? هذا حليب. This is milk. And again, how do you say this is milk in Arabic? You say هذا حليب. هذا حليب. هذا حليب. This is milk. Alright? And now please look at the picture on your left side. What do you see? You see eggs. Right? Eggs. So egg is called baydun. In Arabic, egg is called baydun. 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 Egg. ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? هذا بيض. هذا بيض. هذا بيض. This is egg. Alright? This is egg. هذا بيض. Okay, before we move on to the next page, let's revise again this page from the top. Alright, from the right side. ما هذا. What is this? هذا سمك. This is a fish. And next one. ما هذا. What is this? هذا جبن. هذا جبن. This is cheese. Right? This is cheese. And next one on the right side. ما هذه. ما هذه. ما هذه. What is this? هذه زبدة. هذه زبدة. This is butter. This is butter. And the next one on the left side. ما هذه. ما هذه. What is this? هذه كعكة. هذه كعكة. This is a cake. This is a cake, right? Alright, let's move on to the next one. ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? هذا حليب. هذا حليب. هذا. This is حليب. Milk. This is milk. Alright. Now look at the left one. ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? هذا بيض. هذا بيض. This is egg. This is an egg. Alright. So today we learn, alhamdulillah, a few new words, vocabularies, and let's revise the vocabularies and the new words that we just learned just now. Okay, and by looking at the picture, and in the picture we have a picture of cake, a cake, right? And there are around the cake there are words, and for those who have book, you may trace on the dot, right? By tracing the dots, make them to be letters and words. Alright? And it say color in the picture. You color the picture, the cake, and join the dots to form the words. Trace and join the dots to form a word or the words. Alright, and now let's revise again the vocabularies that we just studied. On the right side, from the right side, tajajun, tajajun, tajajun. Do you remember what does tajajun mean? Do you remember that? What does mean? Tajajun. Yes, it means chicken. Very good. Mumtaz. Mumtaz means excellent. Mumtaz means excellent. Tajajun means chicken. Alright? Tajajun means chicken. Alright, look at the middle one. Ka'katun, the middle word. Ka'katun. Ka'katun. Do you remember what does ka'katun mean? Yes, you're right. Ka'katun means cake. Ka'katun means cake. Alright? Ka'katun means cake. And I hope that after the class, after the lesson, you try to memorize these vocabularies. Right? Alright. Look at the left one. The word on your left side. Zubdatun. 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 Yes. Zubdatun. Do you remember what does zubdatun mean? Yes. Mumtaz. Excellent. Zubdatun means butter. Butter. Zubdatun. Butter. Alright. And let's move on to the next one. Alright. Look at the upper on your right side. The upper one on your right side. Halibun. 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 Do you remember? What does halibun mean? Yes? Yes, it means milk. Halibun, milk. Halibun, milk. Alright? And then the middle one, upper line, the middle one, ma'un, ma'un, ma'un. You still remember what does ma'un mean? Yes, it means water. Ma'un, water. Ma'un, water. Good. Very good. Alright, now look at the next one. The upper line on your left side. Asirun. Asirun. Do you remember what does asiru mean? Yeah, it means juice. Juice. Asirun, juice. Asirun, juice. Alright? Asirun means juice. Alright, look at the bottom one, the second line on the right side. Shayun, shayun, Shayun. Do you remember what does Shayun mean? Yes? Yes, it means tea. Your favorite, right? Tea. Shayun tea. Shayun tea. Alright, look at the middle one, second line middle one. Baydun. 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 Do you remember what does baydun mean? Yes? Yes, it means egg. Baydun, egg. Baydun means egg. Alright? Look at the word on your left side, second line. Jubnun. 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 Do you remember what does jubnun means? Yes, it means cheese. It means cheese. Jubnun, cheese. Jubnun, cheese. Alright? So Alhamdulillah, these are the new words or vocabularies that which we studied today. And let's do another exercise for the usage of Arabic demonstrative pronoun. Alright, demonstrative pronouns in Arabic. Okay. هذه كعكة. Can you see the sentence? هذه كعكة. And it also already matched for you, right? It's an example. You say, fill in هذا or هذه. Thereafter, treat the word to its matching picture as shown in the example. This is the example. هذه كعكة. This is a cake. هذا ماء. This is water. Right? Based on their gender. If the word is male word, you say هذا. If the word is female word, you say هذه. Alright? So, by looking at the picture, we see the first one, milk. How do we call milk in Arabic? Yes, milk we call it halibun. Halibun, right? So halibun is male word or female word? Yes, it's a male word. Why? Because there is no ta marbuta at the end. So, which demonstrative pronouns should we use? هذه or هذا? Yes, we use هذا. هذا حليب. هذا حليب. You fill in the blank هذا, the word هذا, demonstrative pronouns هذا, and then you match the sentence to the picture, right? Alright. And samakun. Samakun is a female word or male word? Yes, it's a male word. So, which demonstrative pronouns should you use, or you must use it? هذه or هذا? Yes, هذا. So you say هذا سمك. هذا سمك. This is a fish, right? And then you match the sentence to the picture, fish, right? Okay, now look at the following one. Baydun. Baydun, an egg. Baydun, an egg. Alright? So, egg is a male word or female word? Yes, it's male word. So, you say هذا, right? هذا بيض. هذا بيض. This is an egg. Right? This is an egg. And zubdatun. Zubdatun, butter. Butter is male word or female word? Yes, it's a female word because there is ta marbuta at the end of it, right? Ta ta marbuta, like sakal ta. So whenever you see ta marbuta, a sakal ta, means that word is female word. So you must use hadihi. You say hadihi zubdatun. Hadihi zubdatun. Hadihi zubdatun. Alright? Hadihi zubdatun. Fill in the blank with hadihi and hadha, and then match the sentence to the picture, to the pictures. Alright? And now look at the last exercise for today. Also, it's still going on. And asirun, 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 asirun. Do you still remember what does asiru mean? Yes, it means juice. Juice. So juice is a male word. So we use hadha. We say hadha asirun. Hadha asirun. This is juice. Right? Alright. And then the next one is shayun. Shayun, tea. And again, shayun also male word. So we should hadha, demonstrative pronouns hadha for shayun, because it is a male word. So we say hadha shayun. Hadha shayun. Hadha shayun. This is tea. Hadha shayun. This is tea. Alright? Okay, let's move on. Khubzun. 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 Do you remember? What does khubzun mean? Yes, khubzun means bread. So khubzun, bread, the word khubzun is male word. So we use demonstrative pronouns hadha. Hadha khubzun. Hadha khubzun. This is a bread. This is a bread. Hadha khubzun. This is a bread. And next one, jubnun. 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 Do you still remember what does jubnun mean? Yes, it means cheese. So jubnun, the word jubnun is male word or masculine word. So we must use hadha. Demonstrative pronouns hadha. We say hadha jubnun. Hadha jubnun. This is cheese. Hadha jubnun. This is cheese. Alright? And the next one and the last one for our today lessons. For our today lessons. Tajajun. 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 Do you still remember what does tajaju mean? Yes, it means tajajun means chicken. And as it is male word, we must use hadha, demonstrative pronouns hadha, right? So we say hadha dajajun. Hadha dajajun. This is chicken. Alright? And then the last one, lahmun. 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 Meat. Lahmun. meat. Lahmun means meat. So notice the word lahmun, it's a male word, right? So we must use هذا, demonstrative pronouns هذا. We say هذا لحم. هذا لحم. هذا لحم. This is meat. This is meat. Alhamdulillah. So today our lesson is about the food that we learn a few new words and vocabularies about the food that we eat every day, and food and drink, of course. All right, and inshallah ta'ala, I hope that after the class you try to write the words down in your notebook and try to remember them, memorize them, and do your exercise if you have printed the book. All right, inshallah ta'ala, may Allah ta'ala bless all of us and have mercy on all of us. Allahumma ameen ya rabbal alameen. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam wa sallallahu ala rasulina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. And let's call it a day, inshallah ta'ala. See you next time. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam. Let's recite dua. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. See you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.